Now we dance!
Oh, está muy cerca de casa.
One! Now! Now!
Totalmente normal.
Otro majadero veo.
Pescadores! He visto la captura que habéis escondido.
Perdonaré lo tuyo. Es un tipo normal y decente.
¿Estás aquí, ratita?
¡Rápido! ¡Se está escapando!
The jackdaws looking mighty fine now. Not a bad take today. Keep this up and Nassau'll be the first city where men and women may live as God made them. Easy and free. All it takes is a few drops of blood, sweat, and a swatch of cloth.
We fly no colors out here, but praise the lack of them. So let the black flag signal nothing but your allegiance to man's natural freedoms. This one's yours. Fly it proud.
I will.
A hand over the docket I lent ye. If we're to keep our republic afloat, we'll need guns as well as gold.
That means attacking the Navy.
So long as they're flying King Philip's colors will not offend our own monarch. As you've likely seen, the number of merchants roving these waters is 70 the number of military ships.
Aye, easy purchase, but in small doses.
Right. So to lure the Navy out of hiding, it's best to cause a bit of mischief.
Catch a few small fish to attract the big ones.
That's right. So plunder and pillage as you see fit, Captain Kenway.
King Philip! Sail ho! Military class brig on the horizon!
Good eye, man. Are you ready for this, Kenway? She won't go down without an honest fight.
Who's up for taking that brig, lads? Shout aye! Aye! That's a sound I like to hear. Pipe to quarters! All hands to cannons!
Careful around the Navy. They're as likely to ram you as fire a broadside.
Let's test those powder barrels against them, shall we?
Caution, Edward! We'll be
Reef the topsails and gallants!
Topsails!
Fire! Fire! All sail! She'll take it!
Ready to fire, sir!
Fire!
Ready to go!
Fire! 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 Crews up! Eat her sticks! Raise! Fire! Ready powder barrels! Fire! Douse all sail! Fire! Loose and catch the wind!
Get to your stairs! Let's catch the wind!
Crowd it all on! Fire! Douse the gallants and royals!
Foremost gallants in! Always a boulder, Kevin!
Pull them down to hell, lads!
Any who's got foot here, down!
That bell one's fine, you hear?
Let's not get shy now. Find another prize. Beggared Kenway. These cannons look like they were fished from a shallow wreck.
Aye, they'll do for now. Can't be relied on for much longer.
Brig, rig Captain there, too strong!
Give us a song, lads. Loose and trim tight, ride the wind! Faster now! Calm her down.
Coming up, do you hear the news?
Miss! Fire!
We're coming together!
Fire! Fire! Douse all but mains!
Muzzle your tops, Mitchell!
Fire! Fire! Batten yourselves! Fire!
We're going to hit them!
Fire! Yo, heave ho! Heave! Heave!
On our decks!
¡Puedo darle!
¡Mantenedlo rodeado!
Fine purchase, no mistake. Now I think it's time to lay low and bribe our way back into secrecy.
Agreed. So, how do we get rid of this notoriety we've stirred up?
Money, my boy. A well-placed bribe to the right government official will see the military off your tail.
Right, let's do that. I'll need to meet these good Samaritans at some point.
Smart thinking. A hunter's caught your scent. There's a cannon in every gun port. I'd give her a wide berth if I were you.
Brace yourselves! Fire! Fire! Brace for impact! Fire! Ready, powder! Fire! Breathe in, all tops!
Get those clues up!
Fire! 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 These vulnerable there, Captain! Fire! Fire!
That clip opens up the
Fire! Crowd on every inch of sail! Clew up foremast rig! All sail! Fill those sticks! Haul up the royals!
Souse those gallants! Haul! Haul!
Grapples ready, Captain. Just say the word.
Pull!
Take the
Reel the
fight to
levers in!